If you weren't gonna buy those shoes, I would've. They're so hot.
Yeah, and I love how they go with your new bag.
Yeah, I was actually thinking that I could wear it with this one outfit. Excuse me.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Laura?
Hi, Kendra.
Wait, do not tell me that you shop at the thrift store.
Yeah. I just picked up some really cute things.
What?
Cute. It's my way of saying cute.
Oh, got it. Let me get this straight. You think that buying other people's used stuff is cute?
It's really not that bad. You save a ton of money, plus most of this stuff has hardly been worn. Look.
No, I could never wear someone else's old smelly clothes. That's disgusting.
Seriously, ew.
Yeah, I can't believe you're gonna wear all that.
Oh, it's not for me to wear, it's for me to sell.
What do you mean?
I'm starting a business where I customize clothes and shoes and I make them look cute. Like, check these out. I bought them used and then I added my own bling to them, and you'd never even know they cost less than $10, right?
Wait, you're wearing $10 shoes? You've gotta be joking.
Kendra just spent over $600 on a pair.
Oh, our Uber Black just got here. I'd love to stay and chat, but we gotta go. And I'm just looking out for you, but that little business idea of yours is never gonna work. You might just wanna return all that stuff and get your, I don't know, $12 back? So, that's my plan, to own my own clothing store. And who knows, maybe I'll even own my own makeup line one day.
It's very impressive, and I'd imagine expensive. How do you plan to fund it all?
Oh, well, that's why I created this business plan to pitch to investors. And if they say no, I'll just ask my dad. He's got a lot of money.
That makes sense. All right, well, great job, Kendra. Let's see, how about Laura?
Awesome job.
Yeah, you killed it.
Thanks. This should be good.
Whenever you're ready.
Okay. So I've actually already started my own business where...
Is there something funny about that, Kendra?
Yeah, when you say you've already started your own business, have you sold anything yet?
Not yet, but I plan to after school today when I set up my...
I'm not talking about the future. I'm talking about now. Have you made a single dollar in sales?
No.
Then you don't have a business. You just have a dream. Don't get them confused.
Hey, be nice. Sorry, Laura. You can continue.
Okay. So I have a dream to start a business where I take used clothes, make them cute, and then sell them. For example, take this shirt. I cut off the collar, add some bling to it, and with that, I made this necklace.
Wow, that's so creative.
Yeah, I can't believe you made that.
Thanks. And the best part is that I can sell it for just $7 and still make a profit.
$7? Are you kidding me?
What's wrong with that?
My business plan has me making $2 million in sales my first year. What are you gonna make selling $7 necklaces?
Oh, well, I'm not too worried about that. I was taught that when you do what you love, the money will always follow.
I actually really like that.
With that mentality, she'll always be shopping at the thrift store.
Kendra!
What? I can't tell the truth?
Sorry you didn't get a chance to finish, Laura, but excellent presentation. All right, class, we'll pick back up tomorrow.
You know, 10 years from now, while you'll still be buying used stuff, I'll be shopping at Hermes and buying Birkins.
I'm really happy for you, Kendra.
Hey, don't let Kendra get to you. She thinks because her dad has money, she can treat people however she wants. Personally, I love your idea.
Really? Thanks. Hey guys, you wanna come check out this stuff?
Sorry, I don't have time.
Okay, no worries. Hey, any of this stuff interest you?
I'm all right, thanks.
Well, let me guess. No one's bought anything yet?
Not yet, but I think someone will soon.
So, this is your business idea, huh? To sell a bunch of used stuff on some bistro tables?
Well, just to start, I plan on posting everything on Facebook and then getting my customers on there.
No one buys anything on Facebook. Yeah, that's never gonna work.
Well, with the way social media seems to be going, I think they will one day.
It doesn't even matter. No matter where you sell, no one's gonna wanna buy your used trash.
What's your problem, Kendra? I haven't done anything to you. Why do you keep being so mean?
Aw, you think I'm being mean? I'm sorry, that wasn't my intention at all. If I was trying to be mean, I'd probably do this.
Hey! Why would you do that?
Because that's where it belongs. Just like that necklace you're wearing. It's all trash.
Hey, is everything okay?
No. Kendra just threw all this stuff in the trash.
Are you serious?
I can't stand her. You should just ignore everything she says.
I try to, but sometimes I can't help but think, what if she's right? Maybe my idea will never work.
Hey, don't say that.
I really like your business.
Thanks. But like Kendra said, it's more of a dream than a business. I haven't sold anything.
That's not true.
What do you mean?
I'll take one bling necklace, please.
Really? Okay, thank you. Here. Thanks for being my first customer.
So, I guess that makes me your second. I'll take that one.
Thanks. Okay,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Shoot, I've only got $6.
Oh, that's okay. Don't worry about it.
Are you sure? I feel bad. I know you don't make much off of these.
No, it's fine. I do this because I love it, not because I'm here to make money.
Thanks. I can't wait to wear it.
And just like that, Laura made her first sales. She would take things she bought from the thrift store and customize them to make them look cute. Or should I say, cute. She started taking pictures of all of her pieces and posted them on social media, excited to find some customers. She sold her products everywhere she could, and things seemed to be going great. That is, until she realized that her sales were really slow. People didn't really seem to be interested. And nobody was seeing her Facebook posts. Laura started feeling like her business was a total failure. And then one day, she even decided to give up.
Great. What else could go wrong?
Well, well, well. Look who it is.
What do you want, Kendra? I'm not in the mood.
Why do you seem so upset?
I don't want to talk about it. Now please leave me alone.
Let me guess. That little dream of yours didn't work out?
No, it didn't. That's why I'm here returning all this stuff. Is that what you wanted to hear?
Aw, I'm sorry. Can't say I'm surprised though. I tried to warn you.
Well, I guess I should have listened.
Hey, don't beat yourself up over it. I'll tell you what, my dad just agreed to fund my business, so after it takes off, maybe you can come work for me. I'm sure I'll need an assistant to carry all my Birkin bags.
Hey, can I help you?
Yeah, I'd like to return all this stuff if possible.
Oh, we actually don't typically accept returns, but since you shop here a lot, maybe I can go talk to the manager. Just give me 1 second.
Thank you.
Laura? Hey!
Hi, Miss Jacobs. What are you doing here?
I just came to look for some things. After hearing your presentation a few weeks ago, I've become quite hooked on thrifting. Check out this belt I bought from here. Can you believe this only cost $4?
That's amazing.
Thanks. So, what are you doing here?
I'm just returning some stuff.
You don't need all of that for your business?
things didn't work out like I'd hoped. So I decided to give up.
No, don't say that. You barely even started. Why would you give up so soon?
In the past couple of months, I've made less than like a few $100s. My whole plan to sell things on Facebook, let's just say, was a bad idea. No one bought anything.
Well, let me ask you something. Are you passionate about the products you make?
Well, yeah,
And do you love what you do?
I did. I mean, I guess I still do. Why?
Then you shouldn't give up. Because a wise person once told me, when you do what you love, the money will always follow.
Wow. I can't believe I almost forgot that.
Don't worry about how much you sold. Just keep going, and everything will fall into place.
You're right. Thanks, Miss Jacobs. I'm never gonna forget this.
Anytime.
So, good news. My manager agreed to let you return everything.
Actually, I've changed my mind, but thank you.
Okay, well, have a good day.
Bye, Miss Jacobs.
Wait, one more thing.
What's up?
I've been hearing a lot of my students talk about this new app. It's called Instagram. I'm not sure if you've heard of it, but supposedly it's all the rage. Maybe you should try selling there.
I'll definitely check it out. Thanks.
You're welcome.
And by the way, that belt is so cute.
Thank you.
With the new level of excitement and motivation, Laura decides to keep going. She keeps making all kinds of new products, including customized shoes, necklaces, and clothes. This time, when she takes photos, she posts them on Instagram. And people all over the world start to discover her work. Over time, her following explodes. She ends up with millions of followers and thousands of customers, all loving her photos and excited to buy her products. Her business became even more successful than she could have ever imagined. And eventually, she even started her own cosmetics company. With a little bit of help, of course.
Hi, guys.
Hey.
Babe, what do you think of this palette?
Ah, it's cute.
You mean cute? I like it, Daddy. It's so cute. Do you like it? Yeah. Oh.
Here's your strawberry acai refresher.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much.
Your 12:30's in the conference room waiting.
Oh, perfect. Do you mind putting that in my office and grabbing my bag? I left it in there.
Oh yeah, no problem.
Thank you so much. Okay. Bye, Ella. Come on,
Good
we have a
luck.
kiss. Love you. Bye.
Good luck.
Thank
Bye.
you. Hey, what are you doing here?
Oh, hey. I'm here to apply for a job. I didn't realize you worked here.
But I thought you started your own business.
Oh, well, that didn't exactly go according to plan. My dad's still pretty mad at me for losing all of his money.
Oh no, I'm so sorry to hear that.
It's fine. I'm actually here to interview for a senior manager position here at LiveGlam. If I end up getting it, who knows, I might still end up being your boss.
Oh, well. Hi.
Hi! You must be the owner. I'm Kendra. It's so nice to meet you. I was actually just talking to your assistant here.
She's not my assistant.
She isn't?
No, she's my boss. Laura owns this company with her fiance.
You do?
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Wait, is that a Birkin? Mm-hmm. Do you mind if I...
Of course.
Wow, I've never held one of these in person before. It's so nice. I guess selling $7 products from the thrift store really worked.
Well, you can say that.
Gosh, sorry to interrupt. Hi, I just got a message from HR. Sally accepted the senior manager offer.
Oh, wow. So that means that this position...
Unfortunately, this position is no longer available.
Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I'll totally reimburse you for your time.
I mean, is there any other position available?
Just the assistant position.
Oh no, Kendra would not.
No, that's fine. Honestly, I'll take whatever I can get.
Oh, okay. Then have a seat.
Oh, here's your bag.
Thank you.
So, I'm dying to know, how did you get to where you are?
Well, it's like I've always said. When you do what you love,
The money will always follow. I remember.
Hey babe, no rush, but our Uber X will be here soon.
Okay, thank you so much. I'll be right there.
Okay, thanks.
With all your guys' success, you still ride Uber X?
I mean, there's nothing wrong with being thrifty. Well, not for everything.
Right.
All right, so let's get this interview started.